Hello, hi, I'm back to you with home remedy for cough and cold. Generally, cough may be caused by several conditions, but the most common cause of cough is respiratory tract infections such as cold or flu. This cough and cold will make you feel tired, sneeze, and have running nose, and also you may have muscle aches. So, to overcome all these problems, I will show you a simple and easy home remedy which works effectively. Here we are using ajwain leaves, tulasi and honey. This is ajwain leaf which helps very well for cough and cold, and tulasi and increase and put on the stove. Here we are using 2 glasses of add ajwain leaves and tulasi and let it boil for some time. Cover